Hey guys, I'm quickly just want to show you one small things that can save your testing things. So it's about the EC2 instance, and to build a EC2 instance, it costs a lot of money. And for example, for testing purposes or even for the small projects, you can actually use the Lightsail, the Amazon Lightsail that actually helps you to create any instance with 3 months free uses. So if I go to create instance, I click the operating system, I click the Ubuntu or Linux, whatever, but you need the operating system. So if you click at the select size options, you can see for this instance $12 per month you will get 60 GB SSD, 2 CPUs and 2 GB memory. So it's really good for a small project. So it's suppose it's a MVP for your project and you need to create it, so you can create actually it very easily. It's really helpful. So you can just create the Lightsail instance, and for the migrations you can even take the snapshot for the current Lightsail and you can move that to the EC2 instance. So even for the migration time, it's really very easy. So if I go to snapshot, you can see the create snapshot. So you can create the snapshot, then you can click, you will get your options in 1 hour. That's for move to the EC2 instance. So instantly it will be create the EC2 instance. So it's really helpful for the MVP who just want, who don't have right now any money, but want to later migrations or testing even. So it's really good features for the AWS. I hope you will guys use it. I really like that. Let me know what did you know it previously or not. Thank you.